Today on The Explainer, we're diving into Docker so you never have to hear this again.
Yup, that phrase. For any developer, it's a total nightmare. It means chaos and tons of wasted time.
Then, in 2013, Docker came along. It promised a revolutionary way to keep things consistent, everywhere.
And this solution is something called containerization, basically putting your app in a self-contained box.
Think of it just like a shipping container, but for software. It holds everything needed to run.
Here's the difference. Containers share one OS, while virtual machines, on the right, each need their own.
And what does that mean for performance? Well, check this out. Containers are way faster and much lighter.
So you get some huge benefits: speed, consistency, security, and yeah, you can run it anywhere.
Okay, so how does Docker actually make all this happen? Let's take a quick look under the hood.
It all boils down to a few key parts. You've got the client, the daemon, images, and containers.
First up is the image. Think of it like a read-only blueprint or a recipe for your application.
Then, when you run that image, it becomes a container. That's the live, running version of your app.
And the daemon? That's the background service that manages everything, making sure it all just works.
All this together creates a super simple, repeatable workflow for any developer. It's a game changer.
And that workflow is just 4 simple steps. You write the file, build the image, push it, and run it. This right here is the recipe, the Docker file. It's just a text file with simple instructions. And believe it or not, this simple process has had a massive impact on the whole industry.
Just how massive? Well, more than 15 million developers are now using Docker to build their applications.
And get this, over 13 billion container images are downloaded from Docker Hub every single month.
And it's not just one type of user. It's everyone from individual developers to huge enterprise companies. This quote really sums it up perfectly. It makes a super complex process as simple as Docker run. So as AI starts to change development, the big question is, what's the next big problem containers will solve?
If you learned something new in these 3 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.